Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. I have the ultimate battle for you today. We're gonna try my favorite brush, detangling brush. This one has been my go-to for a while. There you go. It's got hardish bristles, long and short, against the viral brush. This one, everyone seems to like this one. Made by Bounce Curl. This battle will consist of 5 rounds to really determine which brush ranks at the top. The product I'm using is the Shea Moisture Curl Defining Gel and a bit of water in my spray bottle. I've parted my hair into 4. On the right side, I'm going to use the detangler brush. On the left side, I'm going to use the viral brush. I'm going straight into it. Round 1, detangling power. This is the Tangle Teezer detangling brush that I'm using on this section of my hair, and immediately I can feel how good this is at detangling. If you turn your brush long ways and brush from the bottom going up, it's perfect. Detangling was a breeze with this brush. Now, on the other side of my hair is the viral TikTok brush. Its detangling abilities aren't as precise as the other brush because it doesn't feel like you are actually detangling your hair. It's so soft and gentle, it almost feels like you're not even brushing. So I'm thinking, there's still tangles. When you brush, you want to feel like it's really been detangled, but this brush, you actually feel like it's not. However, it is detangling, but I found getting to the roots is a problem. So it didn't quite live up to the hype as the other brush in detangling. The detangling winner in round 1 goes to the detangling brush. Obviously, it's got the name and it lived up to its hype because it did a better job. I felt it was faster, it glided easier. I didn't feel like I was struggling. It was quick and easy. Now, round 2 is curl definition. Using the TikTok brush on the left side, you can see that this brush defines my curls like something else. Even the shrinkage is saying it all. The more your hair shrinks, the more defined your curls are because the spirals are almost perfect. This brush is a lot more of a uniform look than just spirally. This brush makes the curls look uniform on another level. They all look the same and the spacing between each curl is perfect. The definition is even at all points, from the root right down to the tip. And it's a lot more uniform than the other side. Definition is top notch with this brush. The Tangle Teezer, as you can see, the curls are a lot more clumped together. Can you see? Some curls look very spirally, while others have a looser curl pattern. And dare I say, I can even see a little bit of wet frizz. The curls do look good, but there is a difference, you can tell. So the winner of round 2 goes to the TikTok brush, obviously, because the curls are uniform, there's less frizz, there's more definition. It goes to that brush, but we still have a few more rounds, so let's see who pulls it out of the bag. Round 3, ease of use and comfort. Let's start with the viral brush. This was very comfortable to use. The grip on the handle is perfect. The formation of what it looks like is actually easier to hold, and my hand did slip a little with the product I'm using. Maybe this product is a little bit slippery, but it was very easy to use. And I felt that my hair didn't catch on other parts when I was doing different sections. It did a very good job. The section I was doing wasn't interfering with any other sections. It stuck to the section it was in and separated the curls nicely. I didn't then have to go over previous sections. Maybe 1 or 2 times on that whole side, but very rarely did I have to go back and redo the section I'd just done. And it took less time than the detangling brush to do a section. It was soft, it was easy, my hair just glided through this brush. The viral brush, your hair does sometimes catch on the ends as you're going right to the bottom. I don't know what it is, it might be the little knobs on the brush that are causing this, but otherwise it works well. Onto the detangling brush, my hair kept catching on parts that were already done. That was annoying, which meant I then had to go back over the previous sections I'd done because it was catching on the other sections. It's comfortable to hold though, it fits nicely in my hand. The bristles are a bit hard, but I really like that because I can feel it's doing its job and the curls do come out good. After brushing my hair through, I noticed it was easy to handle. Only with very slippery or watery products, this brush slips through your hands while you're styling or detangling. But my hair doesn't pull or cause any breakage at all with this brush. And the detangling brush took way more time to style, even though it was detangling very well. It felt like I had to brush and brush and brush until I was satisfied. So the winner goes to the viral brush. I never thought I would say this, but yes, it does go to the viral brush because it's comfortable, it's easy to handle, it's gentle on the scalp and on my hands. It doesn't slip through my hands as bad as the other brush does. Round 4 is versatility and overall performance. I'm going to start with the viral TikTok brush. You can use it for detangling, styling and defining, but in my experience, the detangling is not as great. The styling is about 90% up there, except for those little snags at the end. And the definition, oh my goodness, is on top, but it might not be the best option if you need a tool that does everything. If you want a brush that just does everything, this might not be the best because you do need to detangle those curls a bit more. How about the Tangle Teezer? Detangling, top-notch styling, top-notch definition. It's uneven. Some bits look good, some don't. It varies. So this one, I really can't decide. I'd have to say it's a tie because one detangles really well, one styles and defines really well. They both style, but it depends on the definition you're looking for. If you want a uniform definition, it's the viral brush. If you want more of a rugged look, it's the detangling brush. So I can't decide. This is a draw. This round doesn't have a winner. But we're on to round 5, the results. Length retention and frizz performance. So looking at the wet results, the detangling brush retains length much more than the other brush. You can visibly see that this side looks longer than the other. However, the length is all over the place. Some bits are looking long while others are shorter. This one is more of a rugged look. The viral brush, I can't see much frizz at all. I can only see a little bit of frizz. Shrinkage is there. You can see it. It looks shorter than the other side, but it's all even. It looks like one perfect length. The perfect spacing shows magnificent definition. It's really impressive. Now let's see what they look like when they dry. I air dried for a few minutes, then started diffusing, and these are now my dry results. Day 2, oh, have the tables turned. This side was the side that looked perfect. Do you remember? Now, this side, the dry results look so much better. Like it's uniform, it's already making some kind of half moon. This is all over the place. It's like I need to cut this hair kind of thing, right? But it's all pretty much the same length. I do need a cut, but here we are. There is a lot of frizz. You can already see. But the ringlets, there's the frizz. This side, a little bit of frizz, but nowhere near the detangler brush side. Okay, so I'm gonna fluff it out and I'll be back with the results. I'm back. Look at this. Hello. Look at that definition. This round has to go to the viral TikTok brush. Oh, I say this with a heavy heart because the other brush has been my favorite for a while now. The big question is, who wins this battle? In my opinion, it's the TikTok brush. The definition is crazy. The ease of using it is on point. There are a lot of aspects to this brush that hit the right spots. But the other brush, the detangling brush, still has its strengths. I love its detangling properties. They are the best. So if you're someone like me that doesn't mind using 2 different brushes to do their hair, then get both. If you just want to get one, I would suggest getting the viral brush if you want perfectly defined curls, or getting the detangler brush if you want somewhat perfect curls, but your detangling process is on point. I feel like I need to separate this as well because the detangler brush is an OG curly hair tool. Honestly, the toughest tangles you can get out with this brush. And I can show you how to get the perfect afro with this Tangle Teezer brush. It works like magic. And it's gentle, it doesn't pull your hair or snag it. It is a 2-tiered bristle brush, and the bristles are a bit hard. Maybe that's what makes it so good. I don't know, but whoever created it, I'm grateful. Now the viral TikTok brush, obviously this is famous. Everyone is trying it right now. I did a review on it already and I've broken it down like nothing else. And the best thing is it works on all hair types. The unique thing about this brush is that it's flexible. It is definitely a must-have. The shape, the flexibility, the bristle type. There's 3 different bristles. There's the ball bristle, then there's the longish ones with the knob on the end. Then the outer brush works as a styling tool and can even part your hair with the handle of the brush. I mean, it is so versatile. That's it for today's battle. What did you think? Have you tried either of these brushes? Or do you have a favorite brush that I didn't mention? Put it in the comments because I would love to try it. I hope you've enjoyed this battle. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more curly tips and product reviews, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, check out these other videos for more product battles. If there's anything you want me to compare or do a battle on, leave it in the comments. I will definitely do it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.